Hello and welcome to this video on cloud security for beginners by the Typical Consultant. If you're new to cloud security, don't worry. The most important thing is to understand the basics and to be aware of the risks involved with using the cloud. With that knowledge, you can take steps to keep your information and applications safe. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way we store and access data and applications. However, with this comes the need for robust security measures to protect our valuable information. As more and more organizations adopt cloud technology, it's important to understand the basics of cloud security. Cloud security refers to the set of technologies, processes, and policies used to protect data, applications, and infrastructure in the cloud computing environment. It involves protecting sensitive data and ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information stored and processed in the cloud. Cloud security also encompasses measures to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and malicious attacks. Cloud security is a way to keep your data and applications safe when you use cloud computing. Cloud computing lets you store and access information and software over the internet instead of on your own computer or network. However, just like any other type of computing, there are security risks involved with using the cloud. That's where cloud security comes in. Cloud security protects your information and ensures that only authorized people can access it. This helps prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents. There are many different types of cloud services, and each has its own set of security concerns. But generally speaking, cloud security involves using encryption, firewalls, and other security measures to protect your information and keep it confidential. When considering cloud security, it's important to think about the following factors. Data protection. How will sensitive data be encrypted and secured in the cloud? Access control. How will you ensure that only authorized users have access to your cloud resources? Compliance. Does the cloud service provider meet industry standards and regulations, such as ISO 27001, SOC 2, and PCI DSS? Incident response. How will you respond to security incidents and data breaches in the cloud? Vendor risk management. How will you assess and manage the risk posed by your cloud service provider? Infrastructure security. How will the underlying infrastructure, such as the network and servers, be secured? Monitoring and auditing. How will you monitor and audit activity in the cloud to detect and respond to security incidents? User education. How will you educate users on best practices for cloud security? Business continuity. How will you ensure the availability and reliability of cloud resources in the event of a disaster or other disruption? By considering these factors, you can develop a comprehensive cloud security strategy that helps protect your data and applications in the cloud. Building a secure cloud environment involves implementing a set of best practices and technologies to protect data, applications, and infrastructure. Here are the key steps to building a secure cloud. Define security requirements. Start by defining the security requirements for your organization and determine what types of data and applications you want to move to the cloud. Assess cloud providers. Choose a cloud service provider that meets your security requirements and offers robust security features. Evaluate their security practices, certifications, and incident response policies. Implement encryption. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest to protect it from unauthorized access. Implement access control. Establish strong authentication and access control measures to ensure only authorized users can access cloud resources. Implement network security. Use firewalls, VPNs, and other network security measures to secure the communication between your cloud environment and other networks. Monitor and audit activity. Regularly monitor and audit activity in the cloud to detect and respond to security incidents. Conduct regular security assessments. Regularly assess your cloud security posture and identify any vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. Stay up to date with the latest security patches and updates for your cloud environment to keep it secure. By following these steps, you can build a secure cloud environment that helps protect your data and applications from security threats. Cloud security provides several benefits, including scalability. Cloud security solutions can be easily scaled to meet the changing needs of an organization. Cost effectiveness. Cloud security solutions can be more cost effective than traditional security solutions, as they are typically priced on a subscription basis and do not require upfront investment in hardware and software. Flexibility. Cloud security solutions can be easily configured and customized to meet the unique security needs of an organization. Accessibility. Cloud security solutions can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, making it easy for remote workers and other users to access protected resources. Increased efficiency. Cloud security solutions can automate many security processes, making them more efficient and reducing the risk of human error. Enhanced security. Cloud security solutions are often more robust and secure than traditional security solutions, as they are designed specifically for the cloud and can take advantage of the latest security technologies. Disaster recovery. Cloud security solutions can provide built-in disaster recovery capabilities, helping to ensure the availability of critical resources even in the event of a disaster. By leveraging cloud security solutions, organizations can improve their overall security posture and better protect their data and applications in the cloud. Cloud security risks refer to the potential threats to data and applications in the cloud. Here are some of the common cloud security risks. Data breaches. Unauthorized access to sensitive data stored in the cloud can result in data breaches, which can result in financial loss, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. Insider threats. Insiders, such as employees or contractors, can pose a risk to cloud security if they have access to sensitive data and resources. Unsecured APIs. APIs, application programming interfaces, used to access cloud resources can be a security risk if they are not properly secured. Account hijacking. Hacking into a cloud user's account can give an attacker access to sensitive data and resources. Insecure configurations. Improperly configured cloud environments can expose sensitive data and resources to unauthorized access. Malware. Malware, such as viruses, can infect cloud resources and cause damage or steal sensitive information. Denial of service, DoS attacks. DoS attacks can overload cloud resources and make them unavailable to users. By understanding these cloud security risks, organizations can take steps to mitigate them and better protect their data and applications in the cloud. Cloud security best practices are guidelines and procedures that organizations can follow to protect their data and applications in the cloud. Here are some of the key cloud security best practices. Use encryption. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest to protect it from unauthorized access. Implement access control. Use strong authentication and access control measures, such as multi-factor authentication, to ensure only authorized users can access cloud resources. Conduct regular security assessments. Regularly assess the security posture of your cloud environment and identify any vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. Implement network security. Use firewalls, VPNs, and other network security measures to secure the communication between your cloud environment and other networks. Monitor and audit activity. Regularly monitor and audit activity in the cloud to detect and respond to security incidents. Stay up to date with the latest security patches and updates for your cloud environment to keep it secure. Choose secure cloud providers. Choose a cloud service provider that meets your security requirements and offers robust security features. Evaluate their security practices, certifications, and incident response policies. Train employees. Educate employees on cloud security best practices and provide them with the resources they need to keep cloud resources secure. By following these cloud security best practices, organizations can improve their overall security posture and better protect their data and applications in the cloud. Cloud service providers, CSPs, are companies that provide cloud computing services to organizations. Compliance refers to the process of adhering to legal, regulatory, and industry standards and requirements. CSPs have a responsibility to ensure that their cloud services meet various compliance requirements, including data privacy and security regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. To ensure compliance, CSPs must implement security controls and undergo regular audits and assessments. They may also be required to provide evidence of their compliance, such as by obtaining certifications from independent organizations, such as ISO 27001. Organizations using cloud services must also take steps to ensure that their use of cloud services meets their own compliance requirements. This may include evaluating the security controls and compliance certifications of their CSPs, as well as regularly monitoring their own cloud environment for compliance. By working closely with their CSPs and following best practices for cloud security and compliance, organizations can ensure that their use of cloud services meets their compliance requirements and protects their sensitive data and resources. Cloud security is a critical component of cloud computing and should be a key consideration when moving to the cloud. Cloud security is essential for organizations to protect their sensitive data and maintain compliance, ensure business continuity, and protect against cyber threats. Organizations need to take cloud security seriously and implement best practices for cloud security and compliance to minimize the risks associated with the cloud. By understanding the shared responsibility model, identifying your security requirements, choosing a secure cloud provider, implementing security controls, and establishing a governance framework, you can ensure that your cloud environment is secure and that your data is protected. Thanks for watching this video on cloud security for beginners. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Typical Consultant.